Hey guys, I'm Yari D'Areglia of Jump Zero. Welcome to Lesson 4 of Programming in Objective-C. In this short lesson, I show you how to write methods in Objective-C and how to trigger them by sending messages. I'm aware that you don't know how to create classes yet, but before moving to object-oriented programming, it's really important that you know how to write methods in Objective-C. Let's start by looking at a standard function prototype written in a pseudo-C language. We can split it in three parts. The first int represents the return value. Then we have the name of the function, in this case sum, and within the parentheses there are the function arguments, in this case two integers called a and b. Now let's take a look at the same prototype written in Objective-C. At first you need to specify whether the method is an instance method or a class method. You do that with the minus or plus symbol. The minus for instance method and the plus for class method. For this example, let's say we need a class method, so we write a plus. Then we specify the return value between parentheses. And now the odd part. In Objective-C, the name of the function is split over the number of its parameters, resulting in a really verbose syntax. So the name of the function is sum integer colon with integer colon, and the parameters are defined after the colon of every name section. Obviously, if you don't need parameters, you have only a short name like plus, int and method. Now, let's implement the sum integer with integer method. We simply write the function body within curly brackets. In this case, we return the sum of the two parameters. Please note that I'm using the name of the parameters after the colon, in this case a and b. Now, I want to show you how to call these methods, or actually, how to send messages to an instance. Remember, in Objective-C, we don't call methods, but we send messages to objects. You don't know how to create classes and instances, so don't worry about how to create them for now, just follow my steps. Let's say we have written a class called math, where we have defined the method SumInteger with integer. To send a message to the class, we use this syntax. Open square brackets, first write the class name, and then the method, which, as you know, is split depending on its parameters. So we say that we are sending the message SumInteger with integer to the class math, and the triggered method returns an integer. This syntax will be exactly the same for an instance method. So let's say we have an instance for the class math called myMathInstance. In order to send it the message delete current value, we write this. So myMathInstance is the receiver and delete current value is the message. Okay guys, now you know how to create methods and how to send messages. In the next lesson I show you how to use this procedure in your own classes. Bye and thanks for watching!